Variables are placeholders that can hold a value and can be used to store user input, data from external systems, or any other relevant information that needs to be saved and used later in the bot conversation. Variables help in creating dynamic and personalized bot conversations. There are 4 different types of variables offered by Yellow.ai. They are user properties variables, config variables, system variables, custom variables. User properties are variables that are predefined variables that store information about each individual user interacting with the bot. These properties are stored directly in User 360 to help personalize the user's experience and can be used to make decisions about which messages or actions to display. Examples of user properties include name, email address, and location. Config variables are used to store a wide range of information, including API keys, URLs, database connection strings, and other configuration settings that are used throughout the bot flow. By storing these values in config variables, bot builders can easily update them in the platform without modifying any code. System variables are predefined variables that store information about the user session, conversation, and bot configuration. They're available by default in the platform and can be used across bot flows to personalize the conversation and provide relevant information to the user. Custom variables are variables created by bot builders to meet their specific business requirements. They are further divided into 2 types: journey variables and global variables. A journey variable is accessible only within the journey for which it was created. It stores values related to a specific user journey and can be used only within that journey. A global variable, on the other hand, is accessible across journeys and can be used in APIs. Go to Studio and click the variable icon on the left. Click the custom, choose journey variables or global variables and click on Add Variable. Enter your preferred variable name and select the respective data type for the variable. Based on the chosen data type, the sample value will be displayed automatically. Custom values to be stored in that variable can also be added. Click on Add button. You can also create global variables through nodes, and those variables can be used in any flow or node. While creating a flow, if you want to store a user response in a variable and that variable does not exist, you can create a new variable via node by clicking Store Response in and select Variable. Add the variable name and data type and click Add. This global variable can be used in any node or flow. Store data in variables. Action nodes and prompt nodes can be used to store the data in variables. Click on any node and select the option of storing the response and map the variable name here. You can either select the global variables or journey variables or user properties variables to store the data. The data which is stored in user properties variables can be found in User 360. User 360 is available in Engage module where we can get the user information. Remember, journey and global variables get expired after 48 hours of inactivity. Next, to retrieve the data from the variable, click on any text node. This will show the variable icon in the right side corner. Click on that variable icon. Variables in the platform can be accessed in the following way. Variables.variable name, which is enclosed with 3 curly braces. Let's test it in the preview bot.